Welcome to VEDHA online classes. VEDHA online classes is providing the live online tuitions for intermediate CBSE, EAMCET, IIT-JEE, BITSAT. If you want the good marks in these exams, then please like and share with your friends and subscribe and activate the bell icon for getting the all notifications from our VEDHA online classes. Okay, quadratic expressions, most important short answer questions, that is 4 marks questions, and compulsory we are going to get a SQ from this concept, that is lies between or does not lies between or range. All the questions are almost similar model. Okay, concept is same. If you are perfect with even one solution, you can solve any question from this. Okay, so that is nothing but if you are perfect with the concept, you can solve any problem from this. Okay, so quadratic expression, easily you can score 4 out of 4 in this model. Okay, here if x is real, prove that x divided by x square minus 5x plus 9 lies between 1 and minus 1 by 11 here. Okay, so now let I am taking the given question, given expression here, x divided by x square minus 5x plus 9 is equals to y. Okay, now x is equals to, here it is dividing here, if you take it that side multiplies, so y into x square minus 5x plus 9. Okay, so multiply inside y into x square minus y into 5x 5yx plus 9 into y 9y. Okay, x is as it is. Okay, write this in the quadratic expression form. Okay, so that is nothing but x square term, x term constant. Okay, so what about the y also we consider as constant. Remember, this is very important. Okay, so here y x square writing as it is minus 5yx writing as it is, take this plus x to right side, so it becomes minus x, and plus 9y writing as it is equals to 0. Take x common, so y into x square, take x square and x common here. Okay, minus x common means 5y plus 1 into x, and plus 9y is equals to 0. Okay, this is also very important step here. I am taking this as equation 1 and this as equation 2 by comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then okay, so what is the a value? A is equals to y, x square coefficient a is equals to y, and x coefficient, that is a minus of 5y plus 1. Okay, minus of 5y plus 1. Okay, after that constant c is equal to 9y, constant c is equal to 9y, and given that what is given here, given that x is real, okay, so given that x is real, or sometimes it will give as x belongs to R, both the meanings are same. It is a real number. Real number means delta is greater than or equals to 0, discriminant value. Okay, discriminant delta. Okay, so that is nothing but b square minus 4ac value is always greater than or equal to 0. In each and every problem we take the same condition, b square minus 4ac greater than or equals to 0. Every equation we compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and we write a, b, c values and substitute in this equation. Okay, so that is nothing but b square minus of 5y plus 1 whole square, b square minus 4ac, 4 into a is y into c is 9y is greater than or equal to 0. Minus whole square becomes plus, and 5y plus 1 whole square, this is 5y whole square, and plus 1 square plus 2ab, 2 into 5y into 1. Okay, so next minus 4 9s are 36, y into y is y square greater than or equals to 0. 5 square 25. 5 square is 25 y square. 1 square is 1. And 2 5s are 10y minus 36 y square is greater than or equal to 0. 25 y square minus 36 y square. Okay. 25 minus 36, that is minus 11. Minus 11 y square plus 10y plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Always remember, always we have to take the first term as positive. First term, y square term, I want the positive. That's why multiplying by minus on both sides. Multiplying by minus on both the sides. If you multiply by minus on both sides, okay, so then this is very important. Okay, here greater than or equals to changes to less than or equals to, changes to less than or equals to. I'll give you one example. Why we have to change? Why we have to change? Most of the students they'll forget about the changing the sign. Okay, and few students they'll get doubt. Okay, why we are changing? How we are? Nobody knows that. Okay, for example, if we take 10 and 50, which is smaller, which is bigger? 10 and 50, which is smaller, which is bigger? Which is smaller, ma? 10 and 50? Yes. Which is smaller in 10 and 50?
10, sir, 10.
10 is smaller. So 10 is less than 50, right? 10 is less than 50. Okay. So we write the less than symbol here, right? Is it correct? Now, if you multiply by minus on both sides, minus 10 and minus 50. Okay. In negative numbers, always remember the bigger number is smaller, smaller number
Minus
is bigger.
50.
Okay. Which is
Minus
bigger, which is
50
smaller?
is-
Which is bigger, which is smaller in these two numbers?
Minus 50 is smaller than minus 10.
Okay. So what is the symbol we have to write here? Greater than or less than?
Reverse. Greater than.
Okay, minus 10 is greater than minus 50 here. Means, okay, when we multiply by minus on both sides, compulsory we have to change the inequality. Less than to greater than to less than, like that we change. Then only we, okay, so it is correct. Otherwise it is wrong. Otherwise it is wrong. Understood? Okay, why we are changing and how we are changing. Okay, I'm explaining the reason for it. Understood? Is it clear, ma? Okay, so now here we are, this is very, very important here. So greater than or equals to, which we are going to change to less than or equals to, and change all the signs. First one is negative, so it becomes positive here. It becomes positive here. So tell me the equation, ma. 11y square. Tell me fast. Minus 10y.
This one.
Minus 1 less than or
Less
equal
than,
to,
greater than. Less
okay,
than.
greater than or equals to, change to less than or equals to,
Less
right?
than or equal to.
Minus 11y square become plus 11y square, plus 10y became minus 10y, and plus 1 became minus 1. Less, greater than or equals to, change to less than or equals to, less than or equal to. Now here we have to find the factors for this. Okay, 11y square into minus 1, that is minus 11y square. What are the factors for this? 11 into 1 is 11. I want the 10. Minus 11 plus 1 minus 10. Okay, that means minus 11y plus 1y. Okay, so that is nothing but by multiplying we get minus 11y square. By adding or subtracting we get the minus 10y. So we can write it as 11y square minus 11y plus 1y, that is minus 10y, and minus 1 less than or equals to 0. Or otherwise do one thing here. So instead of taking the quadratic inequation, okay, so take it as equation number 2. Take it as equation number Okay, 2 already we took, so take it as equation number 3 it is. Okay, consider it as equation 3. And now let I am taking 11y square minus 10y minus 1 take the equal to 0. Take the equal to 0. Okay, so and equation 4 here. So with equal to 0, you solve and simplify. After solving, okay, we apply it for inequation again. Okay, so that is nothing but 11y square minus 11y plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Take 11y common, then y minus 1. Okay, plus 1 common, then y minus 1 equal to 0. Take y minus 1 common, then 11y plus 1. Okay, equal to 0. Either first factor y minus 1 is equals to 0, or the second factor 11y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, y minus 1 equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Here, okay, 11y plus 1 equal to 0, 11y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1 by 11, y is equal to minus 1 by 11. Always remember, okay, the smaller value write in the left side, okay, and bigger value write in the right side. Okay, negative value is always smaller, so I am writing in the left side. Now apply it for less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. So here now I am taking the inequality, so that is 11y square minus 10y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. If we take for this, then how can we apply the smaller value less than or equals to y less than or equals to the bigger value, or the range we can write it as y belongs to minus 1 by 11 comma 1. Okay, we can write like this, or otherwise, okay, what does it mean here? So it starts from minus 1 by 11 and it, okay, so we can take the values of y or range values up to 1. Okay, less than 1 and more than 1 by 11. Okay, means it lies between minus 1 by 11 and 1. Okay, therefore what is the final answer here? Therefore, okay, so the range, the given function range lies between minus 1 by 11 and 1. Minus 1 by 11 and 1. So what is the question here? So we have to prove that, okay, so it lies between minus 1 by 11 and 1. Okay, this is only the required solution.